Absolutely. Nilesh bhai, when the Sensex hit 50,000, and I remember you and I spoke, you wrote a very nice piece of your personal learnings and your personal journey. When from where you started and how, you were seeing the Sensex at 50,000. Today, as we are recording this interview, we have already crossed 66,000. Are you waiting for 70,000 for your next article, or have you? And could you share a little bit of that experience with our viewers? I personally really, loved the way you wrote it. It was a very personal account. Share some of those thoughts with our viewers today.
So, Vivek, by learning does not stop. And like many of people in my generation, I got attracted to stock market during 90s bull run. And there was no knowledge, no wisdom. I invested by borrowing money, hoping that I'll become rich overnight. And I lost all the money. The losing money was a painful thing. And that's where I started seeking knowledge and wisdom. Knowledge many a times is easily available and you can learn on your own. But wisdom is very, very difficult to get. I was lucky that throughout my life, I could go to people who were wise and who were happy to share their thought process. So, in that article, I wrote that in Dalal Street, Lakshmi Pujan happens on the night of Diwali. But Saraswati Pujan you have to do every day. Knowledge and wisdom helps you make money. Lakshmi and Saraswati both needs to be prayed. The second thing he mentioned that like Poonam and Amas are part of nature, Teji and Mandi are part of market. In the worst of Mandi, think that there will be a brighter day ahead with Teji. And in the best of the Teji, always remember that something will go wrong and Mandi will come. The third fantastic piece was Bhav Bhagwan. Price discounts everything. At a price, everything is a buy. At a price, everything is a sell. Don't bet against the market. Market is superior to you. Many a times, we become egoistic as people say, oh, for 30 years you are in market, you are managing lakhs of crore, you are market guru. At that point of time, I always remember that I am a student of the market, not guru. And I have to always learn and relearn. And I can't bet against the market. Market is superior to everyone. One thing which he said that on Dalal Street, when Batata starts trading higher than Tata, it is time to get out. And many times we have seen that Kachra stocks runs, they attract, a lot of investors like I was attracted in the 90s. And invariably the story remains the same. You end up losing your capital. Another interesting thing which he mentioned was that there was a very famous restaurant, Dwarika, on Dalal Street. And he said, their samosas were very famous. He'll say, you won't eat Vasi samosa. You won't eat samosa if they are not of good quality. Then why will you invest in Kachra stock? Always buy quality and stay invested. This kind of wisdom collected based on day-to-day experience taught me that investment is not about, arithmetic and mathematics and Excel sheets. It's all about common sense, which unfortunately is not commonly available. I think investment is very, very easy to understand, but very, very difficult to do. All of us become greedy. All of us become fearful. This kind of wise people can tell us how to maintain equilibrium, how to maintain that balance. In the worst of the bear market, think of the bull market. In the best of the bull market, like today, think of potential bear market. That equilibrium will ensure that your portfolio runs on both accelerator and brake. It will be able to navigate the ups and downs of the market quite nicely.